Hello. I guess I figured I would show you a couple while I roll them. So I've already picked my 4 and they're already on my thing, and I'm going to start rolling them. So I just roll them. Whatever method works for you. If you roll them this way, you roll them this way, or you roll them on a toothpick, whatever works for you. And it takes a good bit of glue, so I add glue on the bottom. I add glue on the bottom. Then I add glue on the inside. And then I just roll. Just roll. And those little pieces eventually will stick down and roll up on each other. And then you just sit here and twist it. And you end up with a piece that looks like, almost dropped it. Almost just like that. So I pick 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, just happened to pick 4. So I'm just picking these 4. I hate the way this is set up. These 4 colors. I have no idea. Well, let's see. I like this color, so I want that color on the top. All right. And then just make sure that they're even on the bottom. So it makes it easier to put them in your slot. And then you put them in. And then whichever way you roll, I roll this way. That's just how I do it. I just, whatever works for you, you know. You do you. And like I say, you put a good blob on the bottom. And then you put a good little blob on the inside. And then you just kind of roll. And you see how they're, oh, I guess I already got them to stick. So anyway, I have extra glue on my hand. So I just keep rolling this until most of that glue gets on places, because you want these to be very glued. You want them to be very gluey. So you pull it off, shape it if you need to. And this is what this one looks like. I'll do one more. And then I'll be finished, because I don't really want to make that long of a video. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just make sure that they're not facing this way. And that if you got all the design parts on the top. Out of all these, I like this design the best. So I want to put that one on the top. So again, tap them on the thing so that way, you hold them loosely. Then you tap it down so that they're even on the bottom. Then you put them in the slot again. I love this tool. Whatever tool you use, whatever works for you, you use that. But I love this tool, so I just love it. And you just kind of keep rolling. And then when you get down to about, let's say 1.5 inches, then you kind of put your blob of glue on. Put your blob of glue in the middle. And I'm almost out of glue again. And then you just roll and roll and roll and roll and roll. And try to roll your finger around in the glue and try to get it in between all those little lines. And you pull it off and straighten it out. I rolled it pretty good. And that's what it looks like. Okay, so you saw me do 3 of them. Okay, now you know how to do them too. And if you do, let me know how you make them, and what paper you use. Now these paper strips are just still that 6x6 paper, and all I did was triangle them at 1/2 inch. So, okay, and that's what makes this size. Anyway, okay, bye.